Oh, yo, hey guys, welcome to another video. This is going to be the first vlog of 2021. Isn't that crazy? So today, I, once again, don't really know what I'm doing, but I've been thinking that I need to fill space right here. I just see it in the viewfinder. I don't like it as plain over there because it's just empty. Generally, I wanted a print of one of my spiders that I took some cool macro photos of right here, but the problem is that if it falls down it's going to harm them, so I'm not gonna have anything right there. But I had another idea. Let me grab it for you guys. So I have two of these, and I was thinking that I'm going to have one right here, and I'm gonna paint my own thing, put one right here, and then this empty spot right here, I have one more of this size canvas, so let's see what it looks like on the viewfinder if I were to put it right here. Okay, not bad. Yeah, like right here. Not too good at painting. I'm gonna disclose that right now, but I guess I'll show you guys my process of painting my own art for my room. So I think I'm just gonna get some inspiration and sketch out the background and maybe myself too, just to make sure I have the what is the word I'm looking for? You know, the idea. It's not even that. That's not even the word I'm looking for. But I have the ideal thing I'm going for, and I'm gonna make it look nice. Now, if it turns out crappy, you know what? I'm still gonna put it on here because it's part of the channel. It's part of me. So let's get to it.
Here's some basic things you'll need to get started. Paintbrushes. This will be your tools to grab paint and put onto what's next. A canvas, any size of your choice. And for those who are wondering, I picked all these up at my local hobby store. Next up is acrylic paint. Now, you can use any type of paint you want, but I just use acrylic since it's the only medium I understand. So, what's next? An idea. Sit and think of what you'd like to add into your space or what you want to make. Once you got it, remember it and literally take it out of your head. Hey, there you go. Now you're putting this idea into fruition. And if you didn't pull out any bulbs, well, here's some things you can try. Look what's around you. What are some things you like? Is there anything that'll fit your setting? Once you got your idea, you can start. But me, I'm going to do some research beforehand. After that, you can get to sketching your idea. Once you got that outlined, you can get your paint out and begin. Well, unlike me, paint on your canvas, not on paper. Silly Brandon. Even the Brandon in the video realized what he just had done wrong. Also, you don't have to sketch on paper. If you prefer digital, you can do that too.
Whoa. There it is. It is complete, guys. Look at that. So what this is remember how earlier I said I'm a huge fan of Nintendo? So if you couldn't guess, this is me in the Super Mario Land or in the Super Mario World. And won't you look at that? Looks just like me. So why I opted for the teeth like that is because I always, you know, my signature style. And then that was not creepy at all. But then what I did here was I made the hat like a bee, like branded, and then my favorite color is blue, so that's what I did. And yeah, I made the world 1, as you would say, in Super Mario Bros. 3. This is the first world, I believe. But of course, the figure is inspired by Paper Mario. So what do you guys think? It is my first time painting, so there's no shading whatsoever. But I kind of like how it turned out. Or not kind of like, I do like how it turned out. But yeah, I just thought, hey, I want an art piece for my room and I wanted something custom, but of course canvases these days are pretty expensive, so I just thought, why not make my own? Plus it's created by me and it is me, so it does add that oomph to my room that I'm looking for. So where should we put it, you guys? Should I put it over here? No. Over here. I think I'm kind of digging this spot, you guys. So now here's the thing. I don't want to put holes in the wall just in case that if I move, I don't have to deal with that. I mean, I know it's not a big deal and you can patch it quite easily, but the color is not going to be the same. So what I think I'm going to do is opt for double-sided tape. Now, this doesn't weigh that much, maybe at most like 3 pounds or so. Not even 3 pounds, like probably 2 pounds. So I think double-sided tape can do. Let me go get that. Whoa, here it is, double-sided tape and some scissors. Let's get chopping. I think I've been almost sitting here for 5 minutes trying to peel this thing. Battery's gonna die before I can even hang it up. That's great. All right, listen in, wait for it. Ooh. Isn't that such a satisfying sound? Oh man. Okay, what do you guys think? How does that look? I think it looks nice. Oh no, I'm kind of thinking now that I probably should have put it just a little bit higher now that I'm looking at the viewfinder. Oh yeah, I probably should have put it higher. Yeah, that's not coming off. All right, let's just say, good job, Brandon, on the positioning in the comments. That way I won't feel as bad. Yeah, I'm gonna take myself out now. Wait, hold on. Before you leave, I wanted to remind y'all of something. When it comes to this type of stuff like art, just know it doesn't have to be perfect. And I say this because I know we are our own toughest critic. But it's like what I said before. It is something you made and is unique to you. It's all a learning process. And just like with anything, with more practice, your next is bound to be better than the last. I want to thank y'all once again. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if it's your first time here and you'd like to keep up with my latest adventures, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So, how was my animation? It was actually my first time trying this out. And wow, I just have to say, major props to animators. That was a very long and vigorous process. And just that quick 5-second animation took longer than I thought. I think it's because that I wanted to make the mouth move and everything, but still, nonetheless, major points to animators. I hope y'all stick around for the next video, even though I don't know what it's gonna be. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.